All units responding to the structure fire. First party caller is advising flames through the roof in the back bedroom.
Check you. Get some irons if you need them. Huh? There's some irons right here if you need them. Thank you.
Sunset command.
Correct, copy. We got a second line pulled to the Bravo side. There's going to be a conference event in a garage we have to deal with. And then on the Delta side, it's like the only way we're filming that from the Bravo side. And that's changing the command.
Give me a copy. Engine 17 on team assuming command.
Need it over here. I got a second line right here.
Copy 621 en route. Did y'all receive the call information?
That's a negative. We got the address.
Ten-4. Engine 16 and engine 17 are on scene of a working fire.
All units, what we guys did here, half the house has the metal hurricane shutters still up. Access around the building is a problem due to fences and different types of walls. We got 2 crews on the interior. Make a push.
Two crews make good
Water
police.
on the fire.
We're all on fire, baby.
Give me a copy's water on fire.
Drive POV.
Engine 11 on 10.
Ladder 12 is Candia.
Ladder 12.
Ladder 12 is on 10.
Ladder 12 on 10.
Well, you guys will cut a hole in the roof on the side of the house. Copy. Putting a hole in the roof. Line 14. Not sure what your location is, but you guys need to search down the hydrant. Squad 14 comes. I think there's one right there where we're at.
We'll be alright.
Squad
We got
14
everything.
everyone.
We got everything.
Copy squad 14
I
on
don't know. I might need a hydrant if they're. I don't know where they're at. Yeah, I don't know where they're at.
Okay, shoot it.
Fucking 11 again. Get 11 to it.
Get a call. Okay, so where are you located? Come on, sing.
Alright.
Front of the house, front of engine 16. Yeah. Engine 34 is Gambia.
Engine 34.
We're arriving on the same break. Command engine 34. You got an assignment for us?
10-4 engine.
Huh? Nah, you good.
Safety 4's on scene.
Copy safety 4 on scene.
Still in your fan.
Command the interior. Interior gun. Hey, you got quite a bit of fire on the Charlie corner. I don't know if you guys can make it back here to that. Probably Charlie corner. Copy. They're 400 now.